Hello and welcome to a Kyle Connor YouTube channel video. Behind me is the new Volkswagen ID.7 sedan, fully electric, built on MEB, and Volkswagen's just about to present it to the world here in a few minutes. Now I'll have a full video with me presenting the car to you on out-of-spec reviews soon, but I thought, hey, since we're here, we may as well film everything they tell you. Typically we don't film press releases because I like to, share my opinions and stuff like this. And but I thought this would be kind of interesting. You can kind of see how they're messaging the car, communicating the car to the world for, I believe it's global debut, first time ever seen. So we're here in Vegas at CES, and this will just kind of be a raw and uncut debut of this car, so you can see kind of what it's like. We are here just outside CES. The cameras are setting up. Thing starts in about 15 minutes, something like that. Yeah. No one's here.
No, and it's not very inviting, I would say.
Yeah, but this is more for like I think a live stream reveal situation, and we just happen to be here, so we should blurt out some things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's the ID.7. I guess let's take everyone on a quick tour of it, show everyone around. Looks pretty nice. Of course, drum brakes in the rear, discs in the front. My guess, I haven't actually looked up any stats on it yet, is probably the 82 kilowatt hour gross battery pack, 77 usable. As the long range, got a plane ripping it. And interesting taillights. They're actually clear when they're off. I don't know if I like that so much. You can see the charge port door here on the side's big. I'm trying to figure out if it's a sedan or a hatch, and I'm pretty sure it's a hatch because look at this body line right here, pretty crazy. So yeah, a lot to explore, a lot to learn. We're gonna share everything in a reviews video. I think we're gonna block some time with the car to film inside and out. But for now, it's the reveal of the ID.7. We're up here on stage now. Patrick and Liv in here. So you were explaining it's got some lights in it?
It has 22 light panels. It is electroluminescent, and I think it's going to do stuff. I don't know.
Okay.
Apparently it is 40 layers of paint. Some of them are insulating, some of them are something else. And we're going to see something interesting.
So it was so easy to make the car on MEB, they had to make it hard with paint. That's very German.
Weird.
Good evening, everybody, and Happy New Year. Hope you had a good start into 2023. Let's hope it's going to be a better year than 2022 in terms of material supply and world crises. So, thank you for Einschätzung. Okay, now I understand. So, thank you for making it and following here tonight in Las Vegas. Very excited to be here to present our new ID.7. The sixth family of our ID family based on the MEB
Volkswagen software.
Very important car for us. It's a long-range limousine with a range of up to 700 kilometers WLTP range. Great space, long wheelbase with 3 meters, 5 meter long sedan. Sedan segment is not dead from our point of view. It's going to be also manufactured not only in Europe and for world export, but also in China. And we're excited that we can show today in a kind of funky camouflage, 40 layers of paint that are actually electrically controllable, as you can see. Quite an exciting new concept. So yeah, again, thank you for coming, and I'll be around the stand for the questions. Thank you very much.
Well, after about an hour and a half of waiting,
We got a 30-second.
very nice 30-second presentation with bad audio. Car looks great. Hatchback.
Got some tea.
Yeah, we got some nice tea, and
That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
that's a vlog. What do you guys want to do for dinner?
Oatmeal cookies.
Okay, that sounds really good.
Yes.
But maybe we can go and get some real dinner.
Steak.
Yeah, steak sounds good. Yes. Well, goodbye from Volkswagen. That's the new ID.7. Built in Germany, 700 kilometers WLTP range, which means a lot less than that in EPA. And, yep, We learned they put 40 layers of paint on it, but you can't buy the one with 40 layers of paint.
They updated
Yeah.
the UI.
They updated the UI. It's got a huge screen,
Yeah. 28 something.
big screen.
Yeah.
Something about the interactive sliders.
Slider.
Are they backlit now?
Hold please. Checking out.
It's okay. People can Google if they want to learn. Goodbye from Volkswagen.